WoodCarving. I'm Kevin. Hope you're liking these pattern videos. We're doing a Christmas theme this week. We're going to do a lot of little patterns for Christmas. I know it's early, but what better time to start them, right? So if you want the pattern, let me know. I can email you the copies. Charge $1 a piece for the patterns if you want your own, if you don't want to draw it. Otherwise, you can take the lesson here and hope you follow along and make your own. And this will give you an idea how simple it is to make these things. And I'm taking them right from carvings I already did, right, that I do a lot, that sell. Just so you know, I'll show you the pictures. And we'll just take it from there and see how you guys like it. Also, if you like the drawing part of all this, be sure to check out my new site. It's called Draw for Fun with Kevin, and I do cartoons, I do faces, I do superheroes. It's going to be a brand new site. It's going to have a lot of content because I draw every day. Actually, I draw more than I carve. So if you're interested in doing more stuff like this, you know, check out my site. I'll put a link in the description also. It's called Draw for Fun with Kevin, and it's here on YouTube, and it's going to be on my website, which I'm redoing at the moment now too. There's going to be a lot of videos on the website. Okay, so let's get right to it. We're going to do a Santa Claus, only this one right here is just going to be a nice simple one that you can make, again, on a stick. You could do it out of a piece of basswood. You can do it out of whatever you'd like. All right. So we're going to start off with his hat, and we're going to come down. Now like that. We're going to come up, come down again, and right here we're going to draw just a little teardrop type ball. Okay. Now from here, draw a line like that, and this right here is all going to be hat. All right, all up in here. We're going to go over to here and draw a little hook like that. That's going to be the top of his hat. All right. Come over to this side, make a hook, come up, and attach your hooks. Now the white part of his hat is going to start from here, and it's just going to come up and go right into that ball right there. And this is all fur, okay? It'd be painted white. The hat would be red, okay? And this right here would be all painted white. Usually I take a little drill bit or a Dremel tool. I could even show you the process in a bit, and I just drill little puncture marks in here. And that kind of tears up the wood and gives it the appearance of fur when I'm carving. Alright. Alright, now from here we're just going to draw a line right in the center. We're going to give him big eyebrows. 1, 2, and same thing on this side, coming right from that center line. Okay. 1 and 2. We're going to put his eyes right underneath those. Okay. So right from there, come down and draw very basic nose. Okay. Doesn't have to be straight. And under there I'm just going to draw 2 little lines. It's going to be one here and one there. And that's where we're going to put his eyes. Okay. And of course you'd make those pupils in there. Now come up to the corner here and just draw underneath just like that. Attach the corner and come just like that. That finishes his eyes. Right? Not much there. Usually what I do right above these, because again this would be hair, okay, these are eyebrows. You can put any kind of hair up in here that you want. So I just start making hair, right, and I come right down with the hair. I just fill this all with, I paint it white and fill it all with lines. Alright, I come over here to the side and make a cheek. Come over to here, make another cheek. Okay. Now we're going to come down here and make a small inverted U, and that's going to be his mouth. It's kind of long. Okay. Now pick up his mustache up here, come all the way down, and then go all the way up to form his beard. Okay. See how simple? Alright, from here, go up to his hat again. Come down. Go up to his hat on this side. And come down. Right, now this right here is a skinny Santa, but you can make them bigger. This side is pretty much right where we're at here, right? We're just a little bit on the inside of the whole thing. We're going to come down here, just like that. Come right under his beard. Go back up. And then right here, come down and touch. Okay, this is just on the outside. You can go even from here if you want, and just even forget about this line. Alright? Because you're filling up the whole piece of wood here. Alright? Now it's pretty simple from there. Underneath, his arms are going to be kind of tucked in here under his coat. Maybe I'll show you a simple way to just do them under his beard. Just come down, come over, go up here, come down, and attach all that. Okay. Now these lines right here, you can actually just cut them in a little shorter if you want. If it's an easy carve would be to take it from here and here and just make them go under his beard, and then you don't have to worry about hands. Okay. A lot of times I just cut them right into the beard like that. Actually I should have made it like that. So let's do that. I'm going to erase this line here. Sorry about that. It'll be easier for beginner carvers to understand when you actually put this to the wood. Just tuck that under his beard and tuck that under his beard, and just make his coat after that. Okay. I don't want to get too fancy. Without showing carving, it'll confuse people. The carving process on the other one. Okay, so you just need a line here and a line here with your V-tool and tuck them under his beard. Alright, now we can separate his coat. Just with one line over to the corner and one line over to the corner over here. And that right there, when you paint it, it's going to make it look like he's got a little coat open. Okay? And that's a simple little Santa pattern we can do. Now when you see them, you can see the picture and you'll see what I mean. These actually go right underneath his beard. So, like I said, just take these lines here and erase them, or when you redraw it, because it's pretty simple. But that right there is usually what I use. Right, and that's how simple that pattern is. And again, this is all hair. You can make your lines to insinuate where you want his hair, but this right here is just a little bit of a V-tool mark, really. Take a little bit of hair, wood out from underneath there, and it's a neat little mouth. You don't really need to do a lot of detail. It's the paint job that actually makes this guy, and I'll show you in the picture. Okay, so that right there is that pattern. Nice little Santa, real easy to do. This is hair here, okay. Just mostly hair and a red coat, red and white. A little bit of blush on his cheeks and you got him. Okay, we'll get to the next video in a couple of minutes. I'm going to do 3 or 4 of these and upload them because they're pretty simple and quick while I have the time. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll do a small ornament. Thanks for watching.